Hi everybody, this is Cedro Toro with Avery Drone, and today we're going to show you the brand new DJI AGRAS T50. Let's check it out. This, my friends, is the new beautiful DJI AGRAS T50. And as you can see, it is a beast. It has got binocular vision up top, binocular vision down below, a massive improved radar on the front, another massive improved radar on the back. Still has 360-degree sensing all the way around. Improved latches here, a beautiful white propeller system with rotors that go clockwise in one direction, counterclockwise in another for anti-torque vectoring. Spray nozzles that have a solenoid that close them off. Improved pumps on the spray tank, and you can add additional solenoids right here to the front of the drone for 4 total. As you come in, you'll notice that the locks right here have a little thumb release right here, so you can pop those open and close them. It's not that much easier to open than the T40s, but you know, a little bit of an upgrade there. The speed controllers right here, those are a little bit smaller, but basically the same setup right here, same motors and fans. The first thing people usually ask about the T50 is it a bigger tank? Is it a 50-liter tank since it's called the T50? The answer is unfortunately no. It's still just a 40-liter tank right here. But you can hold 88 pounds of spraying liquid and over 150 pounds of dry material in the spreading tank. So it's still got the same great system, but the difference is you can spray a little bit faster, and I'm going to show you how. Back here, we have our dual atomizer nozzles. These are the same ones that spin around here and dispense material, but you can see everything's been upgraded, including this new feature, which is a solenoid that pinches off this pipe and prevents it from dripping, which is a common problem on the T40. So this whole system here is better. You're spraying 4.2 over 4 gallons per minute with this. And the most exciting thing about the new T50 is you can double up on these. You can actually add additional spray nozzles right here on the front propellers, hanging down right here, to have 4 of those. And if you have all 4 of those, you're going to be spraying at over 6 gallons per minute, which means you can dump this whole 10.5 gallon tank in less than 2 minutes if you have a 4 nozzle system on your T50, which is going to be absolutely crazy. The other thing you'll notice on the T50 is this massive new radar system up front. It has double the RF sensors. It is looking up, it is looking to the side, looking everywhere, and it's just huge to keep your drone safer while it's flying and detect everything around it. And if that wasn't enough, they added a second one of those right here on the back. So you've got another phased array system right here, oriented at 90 degrees to the other one. So the lower radar system is going to allow you to fly faster and follow terrain better than the T40 ever did. So you can fly up to 32 feet per second and detect a 50-degree slope, which means your drone is going to be a lot safer. You're going to be able to fly over mountainous terrain. If you're in hilly orchard areas, this drone is just going to be a lot more capable than the T40 was. The binocular system on the T50 is massively improved. If you come down here, you'll see we have the binocular vision up top, and now we have lower binocular vision as well. These have also been angled differently, so when the drone is tilted flying forward, these are pointed straight forward, and then these are pointed down. So again, it's improved obstacle avoidance all the way around with the T50. Of course, you still have your FPV camera right here, so you can look well, and you can use this while you're mapping. Not a huge improvement here. The gimbal and everything looks pretty similar, but the big news with the T50 is the binocular vision system and the improved radar for 360-degree 2-time sensing. When you buy a T50 ready-to-fly kit or a Pro kit, some of the things you're going to get are an upgraded remote control. Now this looks like the same remote control from the T40, but it's actually different and it's not backwards compatible. So when you get the remote, you're going to love it. All the controls are well, they're identical pretty much everywhere, but you're not going to be able to use it for your other drones. So, you know, stick with your T50. You're also going to get the cooling station, which is much improved over the T40. What I love about this cooling station is that, one, you don't have to assemble it and put it together. And number 2, before, when you were trying to get your batteries out of the cooling station for your T40s, unless it was bolted to the ground, you're always having to hold it down so it didn't like lift up with it. With this one, it comes with a foot pedal. So all you have to do is stick your foot right there, pull the battery out, you throw the battery in your drone, and you're good to go. as you guys know, we're a big fan of the cooling stations. The cooling fans just make your batteries last longer. And when you're fast charging out in the field, the cooling stations are going to help you fast charge a little bit quicker just by keeping that battery nice and cold. The other thing you're going to get is a charging station to fast charge your drone batteries, get them charged in under 10 minutes. What I'm showing you here is the standard C7000 that's come with most of the T40s. They've also upgraded to the C8000, and now they have the new C10000. The new C10000 can charge both batteries at the same time, where the previous models could not. One of the main questions people ask is, are my T40 batteries going to be compatible with my T50 and vice versa? And the answer is yes. This is the standard 1560 DJI battery. It's compatible across both drones. If you get new upgraded batteries, those are also going to be backwards compatible. So the batteries work, and if you've already got a system, you're upgrading your drone, brilliant, right? Just use the same batteries. All right, that's the new DJI T50. If you're interested in getting the T50, the question everyone asks is, should I upgrade from my T40? And the answer is, if you have a T40, it's a workhorse, it's going to do a great job for you. But if you're in the market for the latest DJI drone, the T50's improved radar, binocular vision system is going to give you a safer drone that can fly closer to obstacles and have more precise spraying. Plus the fact that you have all 4 nozzles, you can dump a lot of liquid, which means you can do higher gallon per acre rate. One thing that's also really cool about the T50 is when it changes direction, when it goes around corners, it actually will turn off the inside nozzles and spray around the outside of the map to spray that corner, which is really, really cool. So there are a lot of new exciting features with the T50 that are probably worth upgrading to. If you're interested in picking one up, you can get the whole system with extra batteries, charging station, remote control batteries for under 30 grand right now at averydrone.com.